This is Wendy Boone. How are you? Hope you're having a wonderful, blessed day, night, evening. Just came from physical therapy and hanging out with Mr. Boone here, who also went with me as well. There you go. Can I show you Keith Boone?
I didn't know you meant me.
Oh, he said, I don't know you meant me. Okay, I guess I won't show him. Yeah, so me and my husband. Oh, well, oh, that's right. He don't have any makeup, y'all. That's right. So.
Don't put that in.
You don't wear makeup, of course. We just kidding.
Yeah, she kidding.
Anyway, y'all, so I just came from physical therapy. I had my initial consultant was yesterday, so today I had actually doing my exercises for my lower back, and my spine, and so forth. But now I gotta do it for 9 weeks, y'all. Physical therapy on my back. Yeah, something I did some kind of therapy today. KIN, whatever. It was weird. I had to stand there in this machine, just shake my legs. Oh, that was scary. I didn't like it. I forgot to bend my leg while I was standing on it, but anyway. But so I'm starting physical therapy because I was diagnosed with lumbar and spinal stuff going on in my back and my hip, my butt, and my legs. So we'll see how it goes. If I guess physical therapy doesn't get me to where I need to be, then I end up having, well, I still might have to still see a spine management doctor as well. We're talking about injections and stuff, but hopefully my physical therapy doctor said I probably won't need that. It all depends on how, after the 9 weeks, how am I doing as far as with my back, lumbar and spine and so forth. I also got a bulge in my spine, but we'll see how all this works, y'all. So my first day, so anyway, I just wanted to just touch bases with you guys on that. What's going on with me as far as my back and my walking and my foot. It's just a lot going on, and it's part of getting old, y'all. That's what I was told. It's part of getting old. So hey, it is what it is. It's part of life. So anyway, you guys, I'll keep you guys informed on what's going on with me as I continue this physical therapy, and I don't know, we'll go from there. But all right, you guys have a wonderful and lovely, continue have a blessed day, and stay encouraged in the Lord as always. And I'll be talking to you guys again later concerning this matter. And I know God is a healer, and I believe I'm going to be healed of this. But it's degenerating, so, and arthritis and some other things, but it's part of life. All right, y'all. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. God bless us and much love. Peace. Bye-bye.